Welcome to OwnPrint. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire business of selling personalized print-on-demand jewelry on Etsy from absolute zero, all the way to your first sales. We'll cover what this business model is, why jewelry is such a great product, and why we start selling on a platform like Etsy, especially if you never made any significant amount of money online yet. And then, I'll show you the exact recipe you need to create product listings that actually get found, clicked, and bought. By the end, you'll understand everything it takes to get started and start making real money. So let's get into it. First of all, what is print-on-demand jewelry? Print-on-demand jewelry is a business model where you sell personalized jewelry online on platforms like Etsy without ever touching, storing, or shipping anything yourself. That means no inventory, no warehouse, and no upfront investment. And here's how it actually works. You partner with a print-on-demand jewelry supplier like OwnPrint, and we're the ones who engrave the piece, pack it, and ship it directly to your customer with your shop's details on it, so your customer never knows about OwnPrint. To them, it feels like your shop produced and shipped the item, so you focus on selling and we handle the rest. Now let's talk about the money, because this is where it gets really beautiful. Here's how the money flows. Your customer pays you first, let's say $49. Then, once you've already been paid, you pay us, the supplier, let's say $15, to produce, pack and ship the order. And you keep the difference as your profit, in this case $34. So look at what just happened there. You got paid before you ever paid us, which means there's basically zero risk. You're never out of pocket, and you never have to buy anything before you've already made the sale. So the next question is, why are we selling personalized jewelry? Why not mugs or t-shirts or phone cases or any of the other products most people start with in print on demand? Well, there are a few solid reasons, so let's go through them. The first reason is the high profit margin. Let's compare. A mug usually costs you around $8 and it sells for somewhere between $15 and $20, so you profit around $7. A t-shirt sells for about $20, costs you about $12, so you profit around $8. Now look at jewelry. A necklace sells for $49 or more and it costs you $15, so you profit $34. Same amount of work, but at least 4 times the profit. And here's the math that makes it real. Just one jewelry sale per day is about $1,000 in profit a month. 3 sales a day is about $3,000 profit a month. And 5 sales a day is about $5,000 in profit every single month. And here's the thing. With the tools you have today, absolutely anyone can get to 3 to 5 sales a day, and beyond that. In fact, we have users getting anywhere from 1 to 30 sales per day, or even more just on Etsy. So, at 34 profit per piece, the math is looking pretty good. So that's exactly what we're working toward here, getting you to a minimum of 3 to 5 sales a day. And by the end of this video, you'll understand everything it takes to get there. Okay, so high profit is the first reason. Let's talk about the others. The second reason is that jewelry is an emotional purchase. Think about it. Jewelry gets bought for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, Father's Day, weddings, Valentine's Day, Christmas, graduations, memorials, a new job, recovery gifts, and so many more occasions. Basically, if there's an occasion, there's a reason to gift personalized jewelry. And people don't shop around on price for something emotional. They buy the piece that means the most. Because there's always an occasion, there's always someone with a reason to buy personalized jewelry, so you're never stuck waiting for one busy season. And the fourth reason is less competition. See, everyone and their mom starts print on demand by selling t-shirts and mugs. And that's literally millions of sellers all fighting over the same buyers. But jewelry? You're looking at maybe a few hundred to a few thousand serious sellers. So the demand is huge and the competition is tiny. And that's exactly why we sell jewelry and not mugs or t-shirts or anything else. Alright, so next, why Etsy? Why are we starting on Etsy, especially as a beginner? Now, there are a lot of platforms out there, like Shopify, your own website, and plenty of others. But if you've never made any real money online before, Etsy is hands down the best place to start. And let me show you why. First, Etsy already has around 90 million active buyers, and they're searching for personalized gifts every single day. They look for things like 10-year anniversary gift for wife, and all kinds of other specific searches that I'll show you in a moment. And of course, we can create a necklace or a bracelet or a keychain for exactly that. They search for an 18th birthday gift for daughter, personalized graduation gift, gift for the groom, gift for bridesmaids, birth flower necklace, memorial gifts, and so much more. So 90 million users that Etsy has are real people searching for these exact things right now. And we can absolutely design something perfect for every one of them. And here's the second reason Etsy is so good for beginners. You don't need a website, you don't need to run ads or pay for advertising upfront, you don't need any marketing skills, you don't need followers, and you don't need a social media presence. Because Etsy already has the customers and Etsy already has the platform. Your only job to succeed on Etsy is to match your listings with what buyers are already searching for. That's it. And to do that well, you really just need two things. First, you need to know how to create a listing, the basics, which is genuinely very easy, and we'll cover it soon. And second, once you can create a listing, you need to know how to create an optimized listing, the kind of listing that people actually find, click, and buy. And that's what we call a winning listing, because that's the listing that actually makes you money. A winning listing is simply a listing that people find, click, and buy. So let's break down exactly how to build one. Here are the 5 components of a winning listing. The first component of a winning listing is a clear niche. And to nail your niche, you just answer 4 simple questions. Number 1, what's the occasion? So let's say the occasion is an 18th birthday celebration. Number 2, who is receiving the gift? Let's say a daughter. Number 3, who is buying the gift? In this case, that would be the father or the mother. And number 4, what's the product and the personalization? And that really comes down to the design. What can the design be personalized with? Maybe a date, a name, a location, or maybe all 3. And don't worry if you're not a designer, because we've got plenty of pre-made proven designs ready for you. And with today's tools, you don't need any design skills at all. We have internal tools that help you create amazing designs in seconds. So that's your first component. You need to know what you're selling, who it's for, and who's actually buying it. Because once you know your audience, everything else, the design, the words, the photos, it all falls into place. And here's the golden rule. Your design has to be meaningful, not random, and it has to connect to the occasion and to the person receiving it. Let me show you a few examples. The first one is a star map. A star map can work for so many occasions, but let's use an 18th birthday for this example. It shows exactly how the stars looked on a specific day, at a specific time, in a specific place. So for example, how the stars looked 18 years ago when the receiver was born. That's incredibly meaningful and it makes a beautiful gift. The next one is a birth flower design with a name and a date. This is a gorgeous birthday piece and it works for a sweet 16, an 18th, a 21st, really any birthday. And look at why it's strong. It's got the birth flower matching the person's month, it's got the name of the person receiving it, and it's got the date. So it's personal, it's meaningful, and it's connected to the niche we are selling in, to the occasion and the receiver. Another example is a portrait with names, which is perfect for memorials or remembrance gifts. And here's one more, a pet portrait, which is amazing for celebrating a pet or for pet memorials, and it sells beautifully to pet owners. And these are just a handful. We've got so many more proven designs waiting for you in our design library, ready to use the moment you create a product. The third component is your listing itself, and specifically an SEO optimized title, description, and tags. SEO just means search engine optimization, and in plain terms, it means that in your product title, product description, and product tags, you'll be using the exact words your buyer is typing into the search bar when they search for a product. Because that's how Etsy decides which listings to show out of millions. It reads the words in your title, your description, and your tags. So if you use the words buyers actually search, Etsy understands what you're selling and shows it to the right people. If you don't, your product stays hidden, no matter how beautiful it is. And here's the key. Buyers are specific. As I've shown you, when someone's looking for an 18th birthday gift for their daughter, are as specific as possible in their search. And those exact words are what you want in your title, your description, and your tags. Now, here's the beautiful part. You don't have to be an SEO expert to do this, because OwnPrint gives you the listing optimizer tool built right in. During the product creation process, you just click Improve Listing, answer a few quick questions like, what's the occasion, who's receiving the product, who's buying it, and what's the design or personalization. And our AI instantly writes you a fully optimized title, description, and tags, all built around your product and the exact buyer searching for it. So it saves you a ton of time and it makes sure your listing actually gets found. Now, the fourth component of a winning listing is unique and beautiful product photos. So think about it this way. The SEO from the previous step makes sure your product gets seen. But your photos are what make someone actually click and buy, because a product that never gets clicked never gets sold. And your photos are the very first thing a buyer sees. So your photos have to stop them from scrolling and click on your product. That means unique shots, lifestyle photos, close-ups, GIF style images, unboxing shots, the kind of photos that build trust and make your listing impossible to scroll past. Now, in the past, getting photos like that meant hiring a photographer, booking a studio, buying a camera, paying an editor. It was expensive and it was slow. But not anymore. Because with OwnPrint's mockup tool right there in the product creation process, you can create absolutely stunning, one-of-a-kind photos in seconds. It's basically the best product photographer and editor in the world, right at your fingertips. And the fifth component of a winning listing is the right price. Now pay close attention here, because this is where so many beginners leave money on the table. They think that pricing low means they'll sell more. And it feels logical, but with personalized jewelry, it couldn't be further from the truth. Here's why. A print-on-demand mug or a t-shirt, the exact same one sits in 100 other shops, so people just hunt for the cheapest. But your personalized jewelry is one of a kind. When a buyer falls in love with your piece, they can't find it cheaper anywhere else, because it only exists in your shop. So they don't buy on price, they buy on emotion and on how much it means to them. So here's our golden rule: never race to the bottom. Aim for a healthy profit, for at least $15 a piece, and ideally 30 to 40. Because remember, you didn't start this business to break even, you started it to build real income. And we've seen sellers confidently charge $70 and even $100 or more for a single piece, not because it costs more to make, but because they made it feel truly special. So price your work with confidence, and price it like the treasure it really is. Now, before we wrap up, there's one more thing, and honestly, it might be the most important part of all, because understanding these 5 components is the foundation. But the real secret is consistency. Once you know how to build a winning listing, your job is simply to do it over and over, every single day. Aim to create a minimum of 3 to 5 new winning listings a day, because each listing is another doorway for a buyer to find you, and the more of them you create, the more chances you have to make sales. Do that consistently for a while and it will pay off. The sellers who win aren't the most talented, they're the most consistent. So let's talk about your next steps. If you haven't signed up with OwnPrint yet, go ahead and create your account at app.ownprint.co/register. It's free and it only takes a minute. Then you'll want an Etsy shop to sell on. Once your shop is set up, you just connect it to OwnPrint, push your first product, and apply those 5 winning components. And here is the best part. Once you're logged into your OwnPrint account, you're never on your own. Basically, everything you need from zero to hero is right there, waiting for you. So you'll always know exactly what to do next. And just so you know what's possible, on Etsy, sellers are making anywhere from a few $100s a month to a few thousand. And we've seen people doing $10,000 or even $20,000 a month. It really comes down to how consistent you are. So here's your game plan. Sign up with OwnPrint, create your Etsy shop and connect it to OwnPrint. Then push your first product and apply all 5 components of a winning listing that you just learned today. And then just keep doing it over and over, every single day. And if you ever need help, our team is here for you, and so is our community. Because this is genuinely one of the best opportunities out there for anyone who's never made real money online. No design skills needed, no big investment and no risk. Just you, a great product, and buyers who are already searching for it. So go create your first winning listing. We can't wait to see what you build. Welcome to OwnPrint.